Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I want to show you the main vac I use. It's a Nilfisk Aero 2621. The more I do this, the more I take things like noise and dust seriously. So after quite a lot of research, I went for this. A lot of them, especially the M class, are very expensive, but this has a PET filter and these fleece bags. It's also not quite as loud as some of the others. I think it's rated at 67 decibels. I mean, I'm not saying it's quiet, but it's not terribly loud. And it also has a power tool takeoff. So on the front of the machine, you've got a three-way switch. Middle setting is it just off. Top is the vacuum on. It's got a plug for your tool to go into. Then if you switch it to tool mode, when you turn the tool on, the vac also starts, and when you turn the tool off, the vac stops. It has a push to clean feature on the top, which is this button, and when it's running, instead of sucking air through the filter, it blows the air through the filter the other way to clean it. It comes with all the standard vacuum attachments for doing the floor and so on, but I don't use them in the workshop, so I've just put them on the shelf. What I really like is the hose it comes with. This rubber end is great for attaching to tools going over the nozzle, or on some of my other bigger tools, because it's tapered, it fits inside. It's a wet and dry rack, but you have to take the bag out for that, and I never use that feature as I just really use it as a dust extractor. The bags are quite a good capacity. I think they're 15 litres, which is certainly better than the Henry I had. I looked at a lot of other machines, and not only are they much more expensive than this, but also the bags themselves are at least twice the price. I probably go through one a month. I would say the only negative I can think to say about it is it doesn't have a retractable cable. It just has this rubber strap to keep the cable up, which is not the best thing. Anyway, hope this was useful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.